So, once upon a time, there was a woman about 30 years old, married with two children. Like many people, she had grown up in a home where she was constantly criticized and often treated unfairly by her parents. As a result, she developed deep feeling of inferiority and low self-esteem. She was negative and fearful and had no confidence at all. She was shy and self effacing and did not consider herself to be particularly valuable or worthwhile. She felt that she was not really talented at anything. One day, as she was driving to store, another car went through a red light and smashed into her. When she awake, she was in the hospital with a mild confusion and complete memory loss. She could still speak, but she had no recollection of any part of her past life. She was a total amnesiac. At first, the doctor thought it would be temporary, but weeks passed and no trace of her memory returned. Her husband and children visited her daily, but she did not know them. This was such an unusual case that other doctors and specialists came to visit her as well, to test her and ask her questions about her conditions. Eventually, she went home, her memory a complete blank. Determined to understand what had happened to her, she began reading medical textbooks and studying in the specialized area of amnesia and memory loss. She met and spoke with specialists in this field. Eventually, she wrote a paper on her condition. Not long afterward, she was invited to address a medical convention to deliver her paper, answer questions about her amnesia, and share her experience and ideas on neurological functioning. During this period, something amazing happened. She became a new person completely. All the attention in this hospital and afterward made her feeling valuable, important, and truly loved by her family. The attention and acclaim she received from members of the medical professions built her self-esteem and self-respect even higher. She became a genuinely positive, confident, outgoing woman, highly articulate, well informed, and very much in demand as a speaker and authority in the medical profession. All memory of her negative childhood had been wiped out. Her feelings of inferiority were wiped out as well. She became a new person. She changed her thinking and changed her life. Thank you for listening. Your choice is my voice. Thank